Hey LinkedIn, today I'm diving into a game changer for the manufacturing world, AI-driven predictive maintenance. Now, if you're a business leader, operational efficiency isn't just a buzzword, it's your bottom line. Let's talk about the traditional maintenance approaches. Reactive and scheduled maintenance can often lead to unexpected downtime and inflated costs. And here's the kicker. Unplanned equipment failures can cost manufacturers thousands of dollars per hour. That's money straight out of your pockets, and nobody wants that. So what's the solution? Enter our AI-driven predictive maintenance platform. We're talking IoT sensors, advanced machine learning algorithms, and real-time data analysis, all working together to keep your equipment running smoothly. By identifying patterns and anomalies, our platform can predict potential failures before they happen. Imagine getting a heads up that a machine's about to break down so you can fix it before it disrupts your entire production schedule. That's proactive maintenance at its finest. Picture this, a user-friendly dashboard that gives you actionable insights at your fingertips. You don't need to be a data scientist to understand what's happening on your shop floor. This empowers your maintenance teams to take proactive measures, reducing unplanned downtime and optimizing schedules. It's not just about fixing things faster. It's about making informed decisions and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Let's dive into the tech side for a moment. By harnessing the power of AI and IoT, our solution is accelerating change within the manufacturing sector. We're moving from a reactive approach to a proactive one, driving productivity and cutting costs. And here's the best part. Our platform's continuous learning capability. It adapts to new data, enhancing its predictive accuracy over time. That means it's only going to get better and more reliable. What sets us apart? Our comprehensive integration of multi-source data and a user-centric design. Unlike other solutions that rely solely on historical data, our AI model continuously learns and refines its predictions. This unique feedback loop enhances reliability and ensures you're managing your maintenance strategies effectively. So, as industries strive for digital transformation and operational excellence, our AI-driven predictive maintenance solution is positioning manufacturers to thrive in a competitive landscape. By minimizing downtime and extending equipment lifespan, we're not just transforming maintenance practices, we're redefining the future of manufacturing. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.